In the rainforest, the axolotl whispers of regeneration as it revives lost limbs through simple cell tricks and sparks wonder in curious minds. On archipelagos, sea turtles navigate vast currents using Earth's magnetic field, like a compass guiding hatchlings home. In deserts, the namib beetle collects moisture from fog on its shell and funnels it into tiny reservoirs. The tiny glass frog wears a leaf-like cloak, its heart literally visible through translucent skin in daylight. Together, these stories intrigue families, turning everyday observation into eco-friendly habits that protect habitats.